Good morning, guys, and welcome to the video from my garage. Today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to be adding some accent lights above my garage door. So it's going to be a DIY video. Just a disclaimer, I am not an electrician. I am not a licensed contractor. So what I'm doing is solely for entertainment, and hopefully you guys will enjoy watching me install these lights above my garage door. So what I'll be doing is installing an LED light above my garage on each side of the garage door in the eave of the house, and I'll be running some electrical wire across the front side of the garage in the attic over to the existing front porch light. So when I flip on the front porch light, I will be turning on the two accent lights as well. So let me show you what we're going to use to get this job done, and yeah, let's get started. All right, so this is what we're going to be working with. I have two 4-inch J boxes, have the two LED accent lighting, saw blade, some wire nuts, and some wire. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to install it. I'm going to bring you along with me and show you how that I install something like this. Hopefully it won't be too complicated. So to make this easier on me, I have two access ports in my garage that will allow me to access the attic area above my garage real easily. And all I'll have to do is jump up there, drill a couple of holes to push out the wire into the eave of the house, and run the wire across over into the front porch area where I will wire it into the existing porch light. Okay, so I'm on the right side of the attic space. So what I'm going to do is drill an access hole right there about where those wires are turning, and also feed this wire through that hole right there to get to the other side of the garage. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get this part done, and we'll go to the other side and we'll do the same thing over there. Alright, so I've ran the electrical wire over to the left side of the garage, and it's running out in that hole right there. So we got the wire ran from one side of the garage to the next. Took me a minute to get it over here because of all the installation under this wall, but it's finally here. Okay, so now I've got the wire ran from that side of the garage to that side of the garage. Now I'm going to go outside. I want to show you where I'm going to put these lights, cut a hole, wire this side over here up, and then come back up here and get the wire fed for the other side. So let's go outside and take a look. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be putting these things. You see I traced an outline that I'm going to cut. The light's going to shine straight down the front of the garage. So let's get to cutting. Alright, so I was able to get the right side of the garage done. As you see, there's the light installed, and got some touch-up paint to do there where I had to trim the wood back a little bit to make the light fit. So now it's time to get started on the other side and get it wired in. this side installed. Got the other side installed. So all we got to do is wire it into our light switch. And we'll be done. Okay, so now that I've got both of the lights wired up together, I'm going to get in the attic and I'm going to attempt to run the wire over to this light and wire in the lights here. That way when we flip on this porch light, those other two lights will come on as well. So let's see if I can get it over here. Okay, so I got the wires ran through the attic from the two accent lights over to the porch light. So got them wired in, and I'm going to put the porch light back up and we should be ready to go. Wired up, got the light front porch light on. Both of these out here are working as well. So there we go.